Hey crafters, welcome to Gadgets Insider. Today, we're sharing the top 5 best glue guns on Amazon, perfect for precision and creativity. Let's dive in. Number 1. Krightlink Hot Glue Gun. The Krightlink Hot Glue Gun Kit 20 watts in sleek white is perfect for school crafts, DIY art, and quick home repairs. It features fast 1-minute preheating, a PTC ceramic heating system, and an anti-drip precision nozzle for clean, controlled glue flow. Lightweight and ergonomic, this kit includes 30 glue sticks, ideal for bonding paper, wood, metal, and more. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Gorilla Hot Glue Gun Kit. The Gorilla Hot Glue Gun Kit features a full-size dual-temperature glue gun and 45 weather-resistant glue sticks, perfect for both delicate and heavy-duty projects. With high and low heat settings, it's ideal for bonding everything from fabric to metal. Designed for comfort and precision, it includes a long insulated nozzle, easy squeeze trigger, wide base, and built-in stand. Safety features like a fuse and side fins ensure reliable and secure use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Surebonder CL800F. The Surebonder Cordless Hot Glue Gun delivers high-temperature performance up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for bonding tough materials like metal, wood, ceramics, and leather. This full-size 60 watts glue gun offers 50% more power, with the flexibility to use cordless for up to 3 minutes or continuously with the cord. It includes a heating base with a built-in non-stick silicone glue pad to catch drips and ensure mess-free, efficient crafting or repair work. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Glamgen Glue Gun. The Glamgen Glue Gun and Stick Set is a compact, reliable hot melt glue kit perfect for DIY, school, and home crafts. It heats in just 3 to 5 minutes and maintains a constant temperature for smooth application. The set includes 20 glue sticks, 20 woodcraft sticks, and a hard-shell carrying case. Safety features like a rubber-wrapped nozzle, on-off switch, and built-in fuse make it user-friendly and ideal for kids or adults. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Aero Fastener Glue Gun. The Aero Fastener 300-watt heavy-duty hot melt glue gun is built for serious crafting, construction, and wood projects. With fast heat-up and high-temperature output, it ensures strong, reliable bonds. Its insulated safety nozzle, precision control knob, and extended nose make accurate applications easy, even in tight corners. Designed for comfort and safety, it features a sturdy base, wing attachments to prevent glue backflow, and an oversized trigger for effortless use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.